It's the same thing. This is the human body, the model of a human body. Brain, the main thick cable is your spinal cord. This is the spinal cord, and then see the spinal cord is connected with these fine connecting wires. The whole body, till your fingers, till the toes, everywhere, these connecting wires are there. So, any message when brain sends from the brain, message passes from the spinal cord to these nerves. If the message is for your hands, so the message from the spinal cord will travel through these connecting wires in here. And accordingly only your hands will work. Clear? Everyone will be doing the wrist rotation. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. So what happened? Your brain has sent the message to your spinal cord, and from the stop, bacha, stop. Now, when I said stop, we start, you stopped. Because now your brain has sent the message to your hands, to your wrist to stop. Clear? And brain is called as the master computer. Clear? And the ones who have the walnuts, just raise your hands. The ones who have the walnuts means the parts of the brain will be doing it. They resemble actually the walnuts and the almonds. Now functions, when we have done it that it is called as the control center, because it controls each and every work. Some of you are sitting like this. Some of you sitting like this. Some of us are folding our hands, watching, doing it, looking like this. All this is why, because it is being given, the instructions are given by our brain. Clear? So whatever you are learning today in the class, whatever you are listening, you are watching, this is all because of your brain. It is sending you the message. It is controlling our each and every function. Now again, it is the control center because it controls our each and every organs also. Even the organ systems, all the organ systems are controlled by the brain. That is why the nervous system is called as the master system. Clear? Then again, activity. Any kind of function which we are doing it, running, jogging, sleeping, even when you fight, giving a punch, giving a slap, that is also why some of you, when you are playing, when you are having a fight, you don't react. Some of you immediately you give a punch. You have given me a punch, now you have hit me, I'll also hit you back. I'll give you a punch. Why? Because you have got the message from the brain, hit, so you'll hit. Smile, something is there. Watching the class, listening in the class. Some of us are having the smile on our face. Some of us, we sit in the class in a tensed, our emotions, our faces. What is happening? Why this is happening? All these, what all the faces we are making, these are all because of the brain. The instructions are given. Now comes the parts of the brain for which I have told you to be ready with almonds and walnuts. You'll just wait. Now see, this is the model of a brain. This whole is the model, and even here also you can see 3 colors. Okay. So the first part of the brain is cerebrum. Now this yellowish one, which is the largest part of the brain, is the cerebrum. And you can say this cerebrum is called as the think tank. It is called as the think tank. Means सारा कुछ thinking का काम, creative mind, remembering, learning, writing is done by this part. So we always say that the brain is the computer. It is the CPU. So which is the CPU? Not this whole. This cerebrum is the CPU of the human body, because sab memory, this is the memory part. Here in the cerebrum, the memory is stored. Next is cerebellum. Now this one is cerebellum, the small one. This brownish, if you can see, it is cerebellum. It is the small part of the brain, but performs the main functions, movement. Clear? Is it clear? Now you'll say, first let me explain. The third part is the brain stem. This white one is the brain stem, or you call it as the medulla. It is the one with which the brain is connected with the spinal cord. Now this joins with the spinal cord and the brain is connected with the spinal cord this way. This part is not connecting. Cerebrum or cerebellum is not connected with the spinal cord. This stem cell or this medulla, it connects, it joins with the spinal. Clear? Now comes why I have told you to have the walnuts. See, I'm showing you, this is the whole walnut. And you know, the cover, the shell is hard. So this cover, this is the skull. Okay. And inside it, inside the skull, what is protected? Our brain. This is the shell, which we call it, which is like your skull. Now this is the skull. Inside the skull, our brain is there. This is your brain. And the brain resembles the walnut, because if you have the walnut pieces, Samarth can easily see. See, I am showing you. And even in the picture, you can see the lines. See the lines which are there in the walnut and on the screen. These grooves, these curved lines. They are like the walnut. Now, even in this model, see the curved lines and the walnut. And a whole walnut wait. The brain is divided into two parts. If this is there, this is your complete brain. It is divided into two parts, left brain and the right brain. As in this one. See, this one is the whole brain is this. It is divided into two parts, left brain and right brain. Clear? Now, this is the thing. Skull. Inside the skull is our brain. That is why it is always told to wear the helmet. Now, this is the helmet. I am driving a scooty or a bike. So to protect my skull, this is the helmet. Now, what will happen? See, this is the helmet. Now, if, see, you say what ma'am has brought, a small hammer. Why I have brought the small hammer? Now think that an accident has occurred and it has fallen down. Now, if it falls onto the ground, and here I'm showing you helmet. If I put force on the helmet, now what has happened? Skull is protected, but the injury has occurred to the helmet. So when there is no injury to the skull, brain is protected. Clear? Now comes the almonds. Now see, better here. See, this is the almond, the cerebellum part. The cerebellum part is the almonds, badam. देखो ये badam की तरह lines है. It is like a badam. And that is why for brain, these are the good sources. Your almonds and your walnuts are the good food for your brain. Have them regularly. Have walnuts and almonds regularly to have the sharp mind. Now comes the next part. That is the spinal cord. Now this is the backbone, and inside the backbone is your spinal cord. And because the spinal cord is a flexible one, it is the connecting wire. That is why these vertebrae are there and we can bend. Actually, we are not, our backbone is bending because when we move back or there, the movement of the backbone is there because of the movement in the spinal cord. Now, spinal cord is the main connecting wire. It performs all these sensory functions, motor functions. The third part are the nerves. So the nerves are the connecting wires. And you'll say, ma'am, what these signals are coming? Nerves are made up of the nerve cells. Beta, this is one nerve cell, one single nerve. And the whole body is made up of